What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, Life with Estes. In today's video, we're going to be fixing the center console, specifically the latch on the center console lid, so that it'll actually close and stay closed. All right, so these 4 screws right here hold the lid on the center console. You'll take those 4 screws out. They're a T15 size screw head. Then the lid will come out like so. So in order to get to the latch, in order to replace the latch, you will need to remove all of these screws, which are a T15 bit as well. So this piece is what we're trying to get to here. As you can see, the old latch, the little clip that holds it into the center console, right here, this piece broke off of the one that was on the car. So that's what we're going to be replacing. Hold this. So in order to get the old one off, you're going to take some pressure, but you have to pull it to one side or the other. And then the spring comes off of it like that. And then reverse process. So the spring goes, hold it right here. This 90-degree angle piece on the spring goes through a hole right here on the latch, and then you want the straight end just pointed down, because if you look down here, point the camera down here, not that close, right there, there's a hole on the lid that piece slides into. And then, that's your latches now will be fixed, and you just got to reverse the steps in order to get all of the pieces back on. Go ahead, put all the screws back in there. Start by hand tightening, remember. Hand tighten first, so we don't strip anything. now. Pretty close. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like and subscribe, and hope you have a good rest of your day.